An enemanahar, agus a bhích, agus an Spiorad Naomh. Amen. Creideam an dia an t-Athair uile-chumhachdach. Cruthadair neimh agus talmhuinn, agus an Ìosa Crìosda. Fáilte gutavúra how lanjanaglasan han cherna mali root, spianach giu am miscanamana agus spianach gitorag dh'ifrinn Ìosa. Anavúra vahar ye gegerar sonien apiach kichenish agus ek ur arbash. Amen. Fáilte gutavúra how lanjanaglasan han cherna mali root, spianach giu am miscanamana agus spianach gitorag dh'ifrinn Ìosa. Anavúra vahar ye gegerar sonien apiach kichenish agus ek ur arbash. Amen. Glór don Athair, agus don Mhac, agus don Spiorad Naomh, mairbh, mairbh, fadúil na súhal. Welcome again to another podcast about the Rosary prayers in Scottish Gaelic. As you can hear, we're now putting the Rosary into some kind of order as we work our way through the Creed. A moment ago, I just said, in the name of the Father, prayer, then the first line of the Creed, which we learned last time, a new line, which we're learning today, as well as 3 Hail Marys and a Glory Be, which is how we usually open the Rosary. And of course, we have many other prayers to come to shape it into the way that it should be. So let's look at where we're at with the Creed. Last time we did Creideam an dia an t-Athair uile-chumhachdach. I believe in God, the Father Almighty. And the new part today is Creator of heaven and earth. And then we got as far as and in Jesus Christ. And in Gaelic, that part, that new part of today, is Cruthadair neimh agus talmhuinn agus an Ìosa Crìosda. Let's go through this bit by bit. Cruthadair, creator. It sounds almost the same. Neimh sounds like NY. Neimh. Heaven, agus, and talmhuinn, earth, talmhuinn. Now, you're going to hear some different pronunciations of this, especially when people read fast, because that MH talmhuinn sound often just sounds like Italian when it's said really quickly. I don't know why, because that's not the way it's pronounced, but I have noticed that that V sound is very, very soft when some people say it. And then we have, of course, the holy name, Agus an Ìosa Crìosda. And you're going to see variations of the spelling of that as well. What I can see is there used to be an A attached to the end, but these days that's not always written, but is still pronounced. And also the D largely has been replaced by T in writing. As I've mentioned before, Gaelic tends to vary across different accents, dialects and regions, making it very hard for us to come up with one standard. So just to go over today's extra bit again, which you had earlier, Cruthadair, said fast, sounds like Cruthadair. Cruthadair neimh, N-Y, neimh, written as N-E-I. Neimh agus talmhuinn, agus Ìosa, Crìosda, with the stress on the first part, Crìosda. And it's important just to emphasize that, Crìosda. Right, it's time to go over this again. So what we'll do this time is the same as we did when we started. An enemanahar, agus avich, agus an Spiorad Naomh. Amen. Creideam an angia an t-Athair uile-chumhachdach. Cruthadair neimh agus talmhuinn agus an Ìosa Crìosda. Fáilte guta bhúla haú lanjin agrasin han Tighearna mali root, spianach chiú am miscna mana agus spianach chitorag dh'ifrinn Ìosa. An a bhúla vahar Òigh ghineadh sonnin apiach Tighearna agus ag uair ar bash. Amen. Fáilte guta bhúla haú lanjin agrasin han Tighearna mali root, spianach chiú am miscna mana agus spianach chitorag dh'ifrinn Ìosa. An a bhúla vahar Òigh ghineadh sonnin apiach Tighearna agus ag uair ar bash. Amen. Fáilte guta bhúla haú lanjin agrasin han Tighearna mali root, spianach chiú am miscna mana agus spianach chitorag dh'ifrinn Ìosa. An a bhúla vahar Òigh ghineadh sonnin apiach Tighearna agus ag uair ar bash. Glór don Athair agus don Mhac agus don Spiorad Naomh. Mairbh, mairbh, fad thuail na súil. Amen. And there we are. That concludes today's Rosary prayers. I hope you've liked this. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel either here or on Spotify. Thank you. Creideam.